welcome to High Intelligence Site. Dear friends, today let us see how to check internet connection speed or how to check the speed of the internet connection. In order to check the speed of the internet connection, go to the browser, let us start, type speed test, enter. Now click speed test by Ookla. Now I have connected my system to this Wi-Fi. It's a fiber to FTTH, fiber to home connection. So as soon as you click it, it will display which network is connected to KrishiNet Infocom. Now, in order to check the speed of the internet connection, just click go. Now, initially it will display the download speed in Mbps and then the upload speed in Mbps. Just a minute, wait. Yes, the download speed in Mbps is 56.61 Mbps. Now let us wait for the upload speed in Mbps. The upload speed is 90.28 Mbps. Right. So this is the process how to check the speed of the internet connection in desktop.
In order to check internet connection speed, first you have to go to Play Store. 1 minute. Yeah, you have to go to Play Store. Then you need to install an application. Just type speed test. The speed test by Ookla. Okay. Just install it. This is the process how to install speed test in mobile and then checking the internet connection speed. You can do it in desktop too. Speed test by Ookla is installing. Let us wait. Yes, now open it. Click next. Okay, in order to check the internet connection, just click go. Initially to check for the download speed in Mbps and then the upload speed in Mbps. So now download speed is 30.5 Mbps. Just wait for the upload speed to be displayed. It is displaying at the top. This upload speed is 43.4 Mbps. Okay. So this is a procedure how to check internet connection speed. You can also check again. I will switch off the Wi-Fi. Now it is in Vodafone mobile. Now let us check the speed. Again, after opening this application, speed test application in the mobile, click go. the upload speed is 14.3 Mbps. This download and upload speed may vary from time to time to a certain extent. It will not be exactly the same. Right? Please note it. Let us check again. Have to click go after opening the application. Bottom you could find what is the network. VA India. That is Vodafone Idea India, Chennai. So that's LTE, Vodafone. So now the download speed is being displayed. Download speed is 17.2 Mbps. Let us wait for the upload speed. Upload speed is 16 Mbps. This is the process how to check the speed of internet connection. Okay. Thank you, friends.
We continue to provide technology-based services, especially daily use technology. Please subscribe to our channel if you really like it and felt useful. Thank you.